Are you struggling to track your monthly expenses because of too many UPI transactions? Don't worry, I have a simple 5 to 10 minutes journaling planner using simple Excel that can truly help you on this. In just 30 days, you will finally understand where all your hard-earned money is going and start tracking of it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about self-help, personal growth and financial motivation to help you take back control of your life. If you are tired of wondering where did all my money go at the end of every month, today's video is going to fix that. Let's talk about a simple way to divide your larger UPI expenses into small daily chunks so you can track every single rupees without the headache. Ever since UPI became part of our daily lives, transactions have become too easy and too frequent. For example, groceries, Zomato, rent bills, all are on UPI right now. And the worst part, by the end of the month, you don't even know where your money went. No clear picture, no budget, no control. If that sounds familiar, you are at the right place. Because with just one simple Excel sheet and a 5 to 10 minutes daily habit, you can change your entire money habit. So stay till the end, and if you find value, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I post new content on every Monday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So before we jump into the Excel, open your journal and write this down. I want to track and manage my UPI spends to stay mindful and in control for the next 30 days. This is our intention and our financial reset. Let's discuss in Excel. So here we have defined 4 columns: monthly data, essential expense value, non-essential expense value and irregular expense value. So with the next step, each day we need to spend just 5 to 10 minutes to analyze and log yesterday's UPI spent in the above column of Excel sheet. Not sure how to check UPI statements? Open Google Pay, scroll to the bottom, click the transaction history, enter UPI PIN and use the filter for this month. That's it. Track yesterday's spend just for one day and update in the above sheet. Repeat this for the next 30 days. Stick to this miracle morning routine just 5 to 10 minutes daily. After 30 days, check your total in each of the column. You will clearly see where your money is going by tracking each column of the above Excel. As an example, I have filled in a few values in the column above and you can see the total for each of the column below. This will help you adjust, save better and plan smarter for the next month. And guess what? If you do this for even 3 to 6 months, you will have full financial control just by investing 5 to 10 minutes a day. So give it a try and let me know your results in the comment section. This is the power of the Miracle Morning Finance Planner. Until next time, stay smart, stay intentional and take charge of your money. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized financial hacks.